Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you my e-portfolio for being a future educator. On my first page of my portfolio I have my first and my last name as well as a picture of myself and the current course I'm taking, which is EME 2040, which is a technology course. Next I have a little about me page, and it just talks a little bit about myself, where I go to school, what inspired me, and what grade I want to teach, and how I see myself as a teacher, and what kind of classroom environment that I want to portray. And then this little button right here is a contact me, which sends me an email to my USF email. And then if you click on this button up here, which is work, it shows you what I've been doing right now. So I've been substitute teaching, and after being in many different schools with many different school climates, I have experienced and learned a lot. I've truly enjoyed being able to practice my teaching skills while getting to feel out the grades that I enjoy teaching. Substitute teaching has also given me the opportunity to see different lesson plans, as well as see different types of classroom management and behavior incentives. I've learned so much so far, and I look forward to growing as a future educator. And then after that, if you click on the profile button, I have put in an example of a lesson plan. So this is a weather lesson plan that is mainly for kindergarten to first grade. And the lesson is all about weather and the different types of weather. The main objective of it is for the students to understand the word objective and it means to understand the word observe and what it means to observe different types of weather, as well as being able to describe the different types of clothing that should be worn during that type of weather. Next I have my resume, which is, if you click on this little button right here, it brings you to a PDF file of my resume. And on my resume I just have my major, my personal background, how to get in touch with me, all of my work experience. So I've been a child care provider, an after-school counselor, a gymnastics instructor, and now a substitute teacher. And then I also have included my past education, where I went to high school and where I currently attend. After that is just my experience so far in any types of teaching, so volunteering and observing, shadowing inside a kindergarten classroom, and substitute teaching. And then my last little button, the contact button up here, has a link to my blog post, so you can keep in touch with me, as well as a little form to fill out that will send me a message.